Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on VyStar Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mortgage.vystarcu.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official page for VyStar Mortgage account and you will also directly end up within the login portal. Just type in the email address that you have set while creating your account within the email address section and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your VyStar Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your credentials, you can click on Trouble Signing In option and you will be allowed to reset your email address and your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your mortgage account with VyStar. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.